It's early Monday morning. 53056. Going to Durant, Oklahoma. Should be an easy run. It's foggy and misty this morning. But miles will leave. And it's nice and quiet. Got a light out. That's not good. That was something, huh? Got some rusty rims. Maybe I'll clean it up when I get down in Oklahoma when it's 60 degrees out. But it's warm. It's about 28 degrees out. Guess that's warm for February. Well, at least the truck's still looking clean. Just the way I like it. Night look. But I gotta be there at 9 in the morning Tuesday. It's about 1,000 miles away. About a 15-hour drive. Well, back in Durant, Oklahoma. More cardboard for them. Last time I was here, it was ice all on the ground. But now it's about 52 degrees out. They think it's cold here. Well, I don't see any trucks. Looks like there's a place for it. Those are all chains, so I can't grab those trucks. Alright, well, they did lock it. Glide hand lock. Alright, well, it's Tuesday. We'll see what they have for a backhaul. I'm in Garland, Texas. You pick up a load here and take it up to Illinois, just north of Champaign, Illinois. Some dairy farm or something. Well, other than that, it's a Wednesday. It's a Friday delivery. That was good. It's got the red light, but no dock lock yet. I did my job. It's been a foggy, misty morning. Once I load here, I'll go north where it's supposed to be freezing rain and cold. It's February. That was quick. Now just go through the fog. The Garland's on the west side of Dallas. I'll take 30 all the way over to 40 and then Memphis. Going to a place where they have eggs, so this must be empty. That looks alright. Alright. Yeah, I'll take, 30 to 40 right to Memphis, and then 55 up to 57 at the split. 57 just north of Champaign. I think it's Loda, L-O-D-A is a little town, little farm town. But it's listed as a Friday delivery. I'm in Loda, L-O-D-A, Illinois. This is a high-grade egg. So it's all about chicken farm here. After this, I gotta go to Champaign. It's about, let's see, about 20 miles south on 57. And do a drop and hook. And that's supposed to go to liquid waste, but they close at 3. So I'll take it to the yard. It's Friday. It's about 28 degrees out. It's supposed to get real cold. It's supposed to snow Saturday. So let's see what they got for me. See if I stay through the storm and leave on Monday. or get out of here before it all falls. So it's supposed to be in the teens all week, so we'll see how it works out. I'm in Champaign doing a drop and hook at Crafts Heinz 53054. Oh well, I just got done wiping the lights down. Gotta slide the axles back. The rims look very dirty. Must be February. Looks like a JMS trailer. Other than that, I'm taking this back to the yard, get my Friday off, the rest of the Friday, and then see what they get me, see if I leave on a Sunday or Monday. Sometimes Saturday, depends what they got. It's warming up, it's about 30 degrees out. Should work out for the rest of the week. Hope everybody's having a good week. Well, back at the yard, guess that's it for this truck. 65. Did a lot of work on here. Caps and the trim around the crown. Keep everything nice and clean. And take my back hubcaps off and put the grace back on. The red light on the back. Lenses. That's nice. But this is 60. Just came back. Got a brand new engine in here. Brand new. It had 329,000 miles on it. And the crankshaft was messed up. So it looks like they brought it back. It was snowing pretty good. It's all dirty. Chrome I just put on there. I'm glad to see that. But it looks like the whole bottom half sprayed. It's all dirty. The red lights in the back. That looks good. It's supposed to snow tomorrow. It's Friday night. But man, it was clean when I dropped it off here. Went to Milwaukee. But my two load locks are missing and my broom. Wonder where that's at. Somebody took my broom. Two load locks. It's always something. And the caps on the front bull guard, that was missing, and I saw that inside. Well, I just started up now. Well, this tube going up to the turbo looks new. The air cleaner's new. The head is new. The main thing is the block is new, so they replaced the whole engine. That's good. The rear bearing was leaking again, and they had metal at the bottom. The oil pan had some brass in it, so that thrust bearing got really worn down because the crankshaft was out of balance. So it's all in warranty. Alright, I got 60 back. That's good. I'll have to do is swap everything over again. And then turn in truck 65 and get back into 60. 65 was a good runner. I like the pinstripes better on this truck. That's good. At least it's all cleaned up. 65 will be alright when I turn it in. Hope the next driver takes care of it. Does need a bull guard. I just got that winter front too. All of a sudden I came back, they said 60's back. Well, they had freezing rain and all that here on Thursday, so they must have brought this back Thursday. You see the bolt guard bolts, the cap's supposed to go on there. I saw that was missing, so I have to put them back on. That looks a lot better having those caps on these bolts. Get my fog lights back. Oh, that's good. Yeah, those bolts here, I like those caps better. Yeah, that's better. Alright, it's all dirty, but I'll get it cleaned up. I have to go to Appleton, Wisconsin Monday to deliver and then load and go to Des Moines. Looks like a Tuesday, but after the snow, I'll get down to Iowa, go to the truck wash and get this washed up. And then stick with this truck. I like these caps better. The other ones are much cheaper, but something I was going to keep, these caps. And all the polishing and everything I did on this truck. Hope everybody takes care of it. I like this trim around the headlights. Alright, I'm happy with this one. Brand new engine. So I'll go about 600,000 with this, and then but they said they ordered me a new truck. It'll be here in June or July. But why would you do that when you got a truck with a new engine and the clutch is all new? I gotta find 2 load locks, and I guess I gotta buy another broom. Wonder what happened. Always something. Plus I get my tri-pack. I didn't have it on 65. Alright, well, I hope everybody has a good weekend. I'll be busy swapping here, and I'll see you on Monday.